Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a Dollar Tree garden fence into a beautiful glam crystal chandelier. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at either Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. First, we will need a garden fence. The ones from the dollar store are made of a very strong plastic. We will also need a round mirror, but we will be separating out the mirror and setting it aside for a separate project and using only the frame for this project. We will also need a small round flower form. I also found a round mirror with a plastic backing with suction cups. We will be only using the plastic backing but not the mirror. We will also need a wire hanger from a wired basket. The basket itself can be set aside for a future project. We will also need 3 ornament hooks. For the crystals, we have 2 options. The first option is to use acrylic crystals attached by a string. This may be more affordable from the second option, which is acrylic crystals each connected by a jump ring. Both options can be purchased from either eBay or Amazon. Finally, we will need 3 medium or large clear acrylic beads. The pack I have is from Hobby Lobby, and each come with a small hole to attach a jump ring. For the lighting source, I have chosen a remote-controlled LED light operated by 5 AAA batteries, 3 for the LED light itself and 2 for the remote control. As per many of my craft projects, we will also need some paint. I have chosen a combination of silver and gold metallic paint and will add some silver glitter into the custom paint mixture for an extra glam effect. We will also need some fix-all glue. Now to start the build process. Our first step is to paint the round frame, the round flower form, the round mirror backing, and the garden fence. Some of these items may require 2 to 3 coats of paint with a 15 to 20 minute drying time in between each coat. Before we proceed to paint the garden fence, take a good strong pair of scissors to remove the stakes at the bottom of the garden fence, the part that we would normally place into the ground. Once all the items have been painted and the paint has dried, it's time to assemble the pieces together. We start by taking the opposite ends of the garden fence and attaching the ends together so that we form a round shape. Next, we use some Fix-All to adhere the round mirror frame to the top of the garden fence. We do the same with the round flower form. Even though this chandelier will not be heavy, for extra hold, I also decided to tie a string of fishing wire to further secure the binding between the garden fence, mirror frame, and the flower form. The fishing wire is virtually invisible yet extremely strong, so will add extra security in case you decide to add real glass crystals instead of acrylic crystals like mine. For the next step, we will be attaching strings of acrylic crystals all around the flower form so they hang vertically. You can attach as many strings of crystals as you desire. I ended up hanging around 15 strings of crystals. Then we take the plastic mirror backing and insert a string of acrylic crystals, one from each hole. We use a Christmas wire hanger to secure the jump ring to it and then string the wire hanger through the hole and lay the wire flat. Repeat the same process for all 3 holes until you have a total of 3 strings of crystals hanging vertically from the mirror backing. Then place the mirror backing so that it sits flat on top of the flower form with the strings of acrylic crystals hanging down. Next, insert the batteries into the LED lighting and then adhere it to the center of the mirror backing so it faces down the center hole of the garden fence. The final step is to attach the basket handle to the flower form. And there you have it. We have created a beautiful glam crystal chandelier from a dollar store garden fence. I have hung my crystal chandelier from a wall bracket, and it looks beautiful in my small guest washroom. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.